Hey everyone, what's going on? Today's video we're going to do something a little fun, and what we're going to do is try out the Samsung Note 10 Plus phone on these different phones here that I have that are not Samsung, and then later on we'll try it out on another Samsung phone and see if it actually works. So to get started, I'm just showing you right now, this is from a Samsung Note 10 Plus phone, and it's a real S Pen, one that actually works. As you can see for yourself here, I'm tapping on it, using it to move, go into something, and that it works, okay? So, unfortunately, that after all of this, I was a bit disappointed, and it is what it is, but let's just go ahead and work our way through these phones. So, as you can see so far, I'm touching, I'm moving. It works, right, with my finger, but not with the pen. So, Huawei, you're out of the question, out of the picture. It does nothing with the S Pen. And I just thought I'd make sure a video like this with you all, just in case if ever you were curious to know if that S Pen will work on other phones, okay? So next up we got the OnePlus 8 Pro phone. I actually had high hopes on this one, but unfortunately it didn't do anything. It didn't work. It doesn't respond at all. So S Pen on OnePlus 8 phones, no, it does not work, okay? So sadly, it doesn't work. So I'm using my thumb to show you that it actually does work with touching, but with the S Pen, no, okay? Just showing you that it's a real phone is what I'm trying to say here. So next up, we got the iPhone 11. I'm just putting my PIN number in here, and yeah, iPhone 11. So using the S Pen again, nothing at all, nothing at all. And I know some of you might comment and say, "Oh, this guy's an idiot. He's stupid for trying something like that." The S Pen is only registered to that phone that the phone that it came with, right? So yeah, and then I was still curious, so I said, let's try it out with the S20 Plus, since it came out after the Note 10 Plus. Maybe there's a way that it would actually register or pick up and then ask it to connect or something like that. But unfortunately, that's just not the case. I'm using my finger to show you that it does work with my finger, but when I put the pen on it, it doesn't work. So yeah. All right, so the S Pen does not work on none of these phones. I also had a Xiaomi phone that didn't work as well. But next up, we got the Samsung A51 phone, and my hopes was very low on this one. But I said, maybe because of a different type of screen it is, maybe it might work. But again, no, it doesn't work, doesn't do anything, and yeah. So S Pen is only for the phone it comes with. Now, if you have reached to this part of this video, if you know of a way to actually have the S Pen register to another Samsung phone, do leave it in the comment section, or an app. I'll look into it, try it out, and I'll share my experience with you all, because I thought this was really interesting, a really cool thing to try out, especially because of the fact that I have the different phones to actually try them out with, and I'm sure some of you did enjoy this. So other than that, do like, share, subscribe, turn on notifications if you're new to my channel, and let me know what you think in the comment section. Which one did you actually was hoping it'd work, So like, share, and subscribe. And just, again, let me know what you think. How do you feel about it? And that's that. I'll catch you in the next video. See you.